good afternoon, or good night, anywhere in the world. So, welcome to my channel, Caterpillar Junhak, at your service. Now, I would like to share something in a shortcut way, okay? So, this is the process, what to do. Press number 4, permanent, and triple pipe. 1, 2, 3. Sorry. 1, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so the shortcut, it will be press the number 4 permanent and then 3 times of number 5. Okay, again, as we can see where my finger is pressing 1, 2, 3. Okay, uses limitation password. Please enter the password. So you can enter the password 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, depend on you which type of number you want to enter, but this is not advisable. It's just a warning to the owner of the company, owner of the machine, or the operator, or anyone. This is not advisable to set up or to put a password in the machine, or else once the operator will leave without any information or leaving, never tell to anyone that they put a password. So this will be become crazy for the owner or to the other operator. Baljita. So again, press number 4 permanent and 3 times number 5. 1, 2, 3. That's to enter the password. Okay, this is the process. Press number 4 permanent by entering the service menu. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's the service menu. So what to do, how to cut out the injector, what we call cut out. You have to choose or select diagnostic test. Okay, in the diagnostic test, this is the included process of this system setting. So cylinder cutout, press yes. So they will show you how many injector installed to the machine, to the engine, and if the engine is running, you can see the RPM, and while the engine is running, they will show you the pressure that's available for each and every injector. You can choose like that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, how to cut out? Just press yes, and then that will be switch off when highlight color. Okay, to return it back or to go back, press yes again, and then choose the other one. The same procedure. So you will hear the engine. It will become changed. The sound is changed or while on running. So meaning when you cut it out number 2 in the with when the engine is shut down, sorry, when the engine is cut out the injector number 2, so the RPM will become reduced and the pressure also will be a little bit high because you already reduced the output of the pressure that came from common reel. Okay, the same procedure, just switch on it back again. So that's the normal. And then choose number 3, the same procedure. Just press yes, and then it will automatically off. Like for example, number 3, if did you hear once did you carry it out, if you hear the engine is little changes compared to the others, meaning the number 3 injector is not spraying as a normal like the other injector. Okay, so in this process you will notice already that the injector number 3, it should be, or we should need to repair. You can repair it one by one depend on you, or you can much better because it's same like same age of both injector, so you should have to calibrate it one time. Even that is a very expensive process, but you should do it one time because if you have if your company or if you are a mechanic, you don't need to go and open it again. By sometimes it happened that the other injector is the same problem. Which one is you notice that having a problem? So much better, you remove it completely from the engine. Okay, now switch up. Choose number 4. The same process. Again, it's off. So sometimes, because the noise that came from the engine, you don't understand if there is a problem on the injector, or else if the problem will be came little, you cannot hear exactly the sound of the engine. The same as because of noise, you will hear like a normal. But if you do this process, you will understand that the injector, which injector is damaging or totally damaged. Okay, so can cause of fuel. It will be more fuel consumption. The engine because of the injector problem, or weak power of the engine, the machine. So that's the result when the injector, some of the injector is damaged. Okay, this is just an information only how to cut out. Okay, so all of the injector the same procedure from number 1 up to 6. Just hear the sound of the engine. If something changes compared to the other, something difference compared to the other, so you have to mark up that, like for example again number 5, it will become like a number 3, the same as I told, the same as an little changes for while the engine is running, little changes when you carry it out or switch off the power of the injector. Okay, that's it. This is just an information, additional information for anyone, just because sometimes by busy of work, too much work, you will not notice that there is a problem on your machine. Okay, but this procedure, you will be understand if there is a problem, or what is the cause of weakness of the machine or low power. So sometimes the reason is injector. Some injector is getting damaging. Okay, that's it. Press it back, and then that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope that this video can help someone, help the maintenance or mechanic to do this type of process and to understand what is the reason of why sometimes the machine is getting low power. Okay, bye bye.